Continue Warsaw, Spar 98, descending 200 for 120, direct whiskey Alpha 411.
Spar 98, Warsaw approach, hello, weather is Lima.
From we have Lima looking for the ILS 11.
Roger, expect ILS Yankee, runway 11. Enter 76 Juliet Golf, climb flight level 340, proceed direct Tom T.
Climbing flight level 340, Tom T direct, enter 76 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 1 Romeo Alpha, climb flight level 240.
Climb flight level 240, Ryanair 1 Romeo Alpha.
Lot to Lima Yankee, descent altitude 3000 feet, clear ILS Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Continue descent 3000 feet altitude, clear for approach ILS Yankee, call you when established, lot to Lima Yankee. Approach Sprinter 209er Papa, dzień dobry, descent flight level 150, inbound Pasek, information Lima.
Sprinter 209er Papa, Warsaw approach, hello, weather Lima, descent flight level 120.
Descent flight level 120, Sprinter 209er Papa.
Lot to Tango Whiskey, reduce speed to 20 knots, descent altitude 5000.
Reducing to 20, descending 5000, lot to Tango Whiskey.
Kłaniam się, Pepshot. 218, descent level 120, inbound, Whiskey Alpha 411.
Finner 1143, Warsaw approach, hello, and the block second station, go ahead.
Lot 218, inbound, Whiskey Alpha 411, descent level 120, Lima.
Lot 318, Warsaw approach, hello, Lima, correct.
Warsaw approach, lot 8 kilo whiskey, dzień dobry, crossing 4500, climbing 6000.
Lot 8 kilo whiskey, Warsaw approach, hello, identified, climb flight level 190.
190, lot 8 kilo whiskey.
Lot 6 kilo Yankee, established ILS 11.
Lot 6 kilo Yankee, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
18305, dzięki, lot 6 kilo Yankee.
Ryanair 1 Romeo Alpha, contact radar 133.475, dziękuję.
133.475, dzięki, miłego dnia, Ryanair 1 Romeo Alpha.
Enter 76 Juliet Golf, contact radar 133.475, dziękuję.
133.475, dziękuję, miłego dnia, Enter 76 Juliet Golf.
Lot 8 kilo whiskey, proceed direct Simba.
Direct Simba, lot 8 kilo whiskey.
Approach, good day, Ryanair 276 November, runway heading, climbing altitude 4000 feet.
Ryanair 276 November, Warsaw approach, hello, identified, climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190, Ryanair 276 November.
Lot to Tango Whiskey, descent altitude 3000 feet, clear ILS Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Descending 3000, clear for ILS approach runway 11, report established, lot to Tango Whiskey.
Approach low fraction 651 Yankee, we have ATC information descending flight level 150 to Point Basic.
Fraction 651 Yankee, Warsaw approach, hello, weather is Lima, descent flight level 130.
Descent flight level 130, we have Lima, fraction 651 Yankee.
Okancie departure, dzień dobry, lot 7897, passing 1800.
Lot 7897, Warsaw approach, hello, identified, climb flight level 120.
Climbing flight level 120, lot 7897.
Spar 98, descent altitude 7000 feet, QNH 1045.
1045 down to 7000 feet, Spar 98.
Finner 1143, descent altitude 5000 feet, QNH 1045.
Departure speed, QNH 1045, Finner 1143.
Finner 1143, distance 30 miles.
1143.
Kłaniam się, Ryanair 5029, passing 1200, climb 4000 on Wiener departure.
Ryanair 5029er, Warszawa approach, hello, identified. Ryanair 276 November, turn left heading 290.
Left heading 290 degrees, Ryanair 276 November.
Lot 78907, proceed direct Evina.
Direct Evina, lot 78907.
Lot 78907 at Crewcam point, be at flight level 280 or higher.
At Crewcam 280 or higher, lot 78907.
Crossing 3000, Ryanair 5029.
Ryanair 5029er, proceed direct Mike Oscar 818.
Mike Oscar 818, Ryanair 5029.
Ryanair 5029er, climb flight level 190.
Left level 190, Ryanair 5029.
Lot 2 Lima Yankee, maintain speed 160 knots or greater until 5 miles final.
Speed 160 until 5 miles final, lot 2 Lima Yankee.
Lot 2 Tango Whiskey, reduce speed 200 knots.
Reducing 200, Lot 2 Tango Whiskey.
Lot 318, turn left heading 025, vectoring ILS.
Left 025, lot 218.
PR 1143, continue heading.
Continue heading, 1143.
PR 1143, reduce speed 200 knots.
Speed 200, 1143.
Spar 908, reduce speed to 20 knots.
220 knots, bar 98.
Fraction 651 Yankee, reduce speed to 50 knots, sequence.
Reduce to 50, fraction 651 Yankee.
Lot 8 Kilo Whiskey, contact radar 130.875, dziękuję.
130.875, lot 8 Kilo Whiskey.
Lot 2 Lima Yankee, establish ILS 11.
Lot 2 Lima Yankee, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
Contact tower 18305, dzięki, cześć, lot 2 Lima Yankee.
Final 1143, turn left heading 200 base.
Left heading 200, final 1143.
Spar 908, descent altitude 5,000 feet.
On the 5,000, bar 98.
Lot 318, descent flight level 900.
990, 218.
Ryanair 276 November, climb flight level 340.
Climb flight 340, Ryanair 276 November.
Facility number Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha, descending level 110 to beam from maintaining vertical feet 2000 or greater.
Ryanair 276 November, proceed direct Diblo, resume all navigation.
Direct Diblo, Ryanair 276 November, thank you.
Approach number lot 266, descending flight level 150, inbound Whiskey Alpha 411.
Final 1143, reduce speed 180 knots, turn left heading 080, descent altitude 3000 feet. Clear ILS Yankee, approach runway 11, report established.
Speed 180, left heading 080, descent 3000, cleared ILS 11, report established, 1143.
Ryanair 276 November, proceed direct Indic.
Intake Ryanair 276 November, thanks.
Lot 78907, climb flight level 240.
Climbing 240, lot 78907.
Fraction 651 Yankee, descent flight level 900.
Descent flight level 900, fraction 651 Yankee.
Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha, Warszawa approach, hello, descent flight level 100, expect RNP approach runway 08.
Descent level 100, Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha.
Spar 908, descent altitude 3000 feet.
3,000, bar 98.
Lot 318, reduce speed to 20 knots.
220 knots, 218.
Number lot 266, descending flight level 150, inbound Whiskey Alpha 411.
Lot 266, Warszawa approach, dzień dobry, weather Mike, descent flight level 110.
Descending 110 with Mike, lot 266.
Approach Lot 2 Tango Whiskey established.
Lot 2 Tango Whiskey, maintain 160 knots or greater until 4 miles final, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
160 until 4 tower, Lot 2 Tango Whiskey, cześć.
Lot 318, resume all navigation, proceed direct Whiskey Alpha 411.
Whiskey Alpha 411, 218.
Spar 908, clear ILS Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Cleared ILS Yankee 11 and we'll report established, Bar 98.
Lot 318, descent altitude 3000 feet.
3000 feet of runway
11, report established.
Clear ILS, call established 218.
Sprinter 209er Papa, descent flight level 100.
Descent level 100, Sprinter 209er Papa.
1143 established.
Direct Evina. Ryanair 5029er, proceed direct Evina.
Evina Ryanair 5029.
Finnair 1143 established.
Finnair 1143, reduce speed 160 knots, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
118.305 and speed 160, Finnair 1143, bye.
Traction 651 Yankee, turn left heading 310, vectoring ILS.
Left heading 310, vectors ILS 11, fraction 651.
Lot 78907, contact radar 130, decimal 875, dziękuję.
130875, dziękujemy, lot 789.
Ryanair 276 November, contact radar 133, decimal 475, dziękuję.
133475, dziękuję, Ryanair 276 November.
Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha, descent altitude 7000 feet, QNH 1044.
Descent 7000, QNH 1044, Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha.
Lot 266, reduce speed 220 knots, sequence.
220 knots, not 266.
Lot 318, clear ILS Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Clear ILS Yankee 11, call established 218.
Traction 651 Yankee, reduce speed 220 knots, descent altitude 5000 feet, QNH 1044.
Reduce to 20, descent 5,000 feet, QNH 1044, fraction 6518.
Ryanair 5029er, further climb clearance in 7 miles. Sprinter 209er Papa, proceed direct P-bar.
Proceed direct P-bar, Sprinter 209er Papa.
Ryanair 9er Hotel Alpha, descent altitude 3000 feet, clear currently approach runway 08, mobbing QNH 1045, report established final track.
3000 feet on 1045 for Mosin, we'll shoot hard Peter 6, 08, full clear established on final track, Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha.
Bar 98 established.
Spar 908, maintain 160 knots or greater until 4 miles final. Contact tower 118.305. Thank you, bye.
160 till 4 miles, switch towers, thanks.
Traction 651 Yankee, turn right heading 020 base.
Right 020 for base, fraction 651 Yankee.
Sprinter 209er Papa, descent flight level 90.
Descent flight level 90, Sprinter 209er Papa.
Lot 266, reduce speed to minimum clean.
Minimum clean, lot 266.
Ryanair 5029er, climb flight level 240.
Stop level 240 on the 5029er.
Ryanair 5029er, contact radar 130, decimal 875, dziękuję.
13085 on the 5029er, trzymamy kciuki za was.
Dzięki. Traction 651 Yankee, turn right heading 080, descent altitude 3000 feet, clear ILS Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Right heading 080, down to 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Yankee 11, call established, fraction 65 Yankee.
Ready for lower lot 266.
Lot 266, descent altitude 7000 feet, QNH 1044.
7000 on QNH 1044, lot 266.
Lot 318, maintain speed 200 knots or greater.
200 greater, that's right.
Lot 318, cleared, reduce speed 18.
Established on 18.
Roger. Sprinter 209er Papa, descent flight level 80.
Descent level 80, Sprinter 209er Papa.
Sprinter 209er Papa, descent altitude 3000 feet, turn right heading 080, clear tail Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Descent 3000 feet, turn right heading 080, clear for Yankee approach runway 11, call established. Sprinter 209er Papa.
318, reduce speed 160 knots, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
Stałe, cześć.
266, descent altitude 3000 feet, clear tail Yankee approach runway 11, report established.
Descent 3000, clear for LS Yankee approach, runway 11, call you when established on 266.
Fraction 651 Yankee, reduce speed 180 knots.
Reduce 180, fraction 651 Yankee.
Handover approach lot 46, level 222, descending 140, information Alpha.
1246, Warsaw approach, hello, Alpha, correct, descent, flight level 100, maintain speed 280 knots or greater for sequence.
Descent flight level 100, speed 280 or greater, lot 46.
Fraction 651 Yankee, reduce speed 160 knots.
Reduce 160, fraction 651 Yankee.
Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha established.
Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha, contact modeling tower 123, decimal 930, thank you, bye.
123, 930, Ryanair 9 Hotel Alpha, dzięki, do miłego.
Fraction 651 Yankee, reduce speed 150 knots, contact tower 118.305, dziękuję.
18305, then reduce 150, fraction 651 Yankee.
Approach, dzień dobry, lot TLC Victor, descending flight level 150, proceeding to PINTA information, Mike.
Lot 3 Yankee Victor, Warsaw approach, hello, weather is Alpha, descent flight level 110.
Alpha, descending flight level 110, lot 3 Yankee Victor.